Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an age restriction on Google survey forms using built-in response validation. Whether you're creating a form for recruitment, surveys, or age-sensitive content, or you simply want to make sure only the right age group can submit responses, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Forms and go to the form where you want to apply the age restriction. Once you're there, add a question asking for the user's age and make sure the question type is set to short answer. This is important, so follow along carefully and don't skip this part. Next, click on the three dots located at the bottom right corner of that age question. From the menu, select Response Validation. You'll now see several options that help you control what type of answers are accepted. Set the validation type to number, then choose greater than or equal to, or between, depending on your requirement. This allows you to define exactly which age values are allowed to pass through. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure respondents clearly understand they must enter their age as a number. Double-check your minimum and maximum limits. And add a custom error message like, "You must be 18 or older to submit this form." Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent confusion. Once you've completed these steps, test your form by entering different age values. For example, if the minimum age is 18, try entering 15 or 16 and notice how the form blocks the submission. Then try entering 18 or above, and you'll see it works perfectly. If you're creating a form for recruitment, you can even set a range, such as allowing ages between 18 and 35 only, so anything outside that range won't be accepted. It's also a good idea to preview your form before sharing it publicly. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and your validation rules work exactly as expected. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add age restrictions to Google survey forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?